Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And firstly, open the application, go to the settings here and check if you have the last version here. If you haven't it, just install it. Also check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case. Now remove it from the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas for at least 10 seconds until you can hear a sound. Now put it to the charging case and wait until this LED light is gone. Now remove it and you perform a hard reset if you're trying to reconnect it at the device list and it said that you should forget it. So let's make it. And it entered operating mode automatically, so we can add it at the device list. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds and then check. It also can fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.